Welcome. This is Learn the Macros, the first steps. My name is Fernando Azevedo. I'm gonna be your teacher. I've been teaching macros since 2007, and I'm also the author of the book Macros for Excel Hands-On, that are focused on people that want to learn macros but doesn't have much programming skills. So let me get started. So macros are little programs that run inside your Excel. The language that we write is called VBA, Visual Basic for Applications. And we have a program called VBE, which is Editor, Visual Basic Editor. So every Microsoft program has one of those. The VBE, and you can program on with the VBA language. Okay? So how do you build macros? I'm going to teach you the techniques that I use to build macros. I'm going to teach you how to record a macro and then how to go into the codes and make the functionality a little bit better to boost your speeds. So we're going to learn to do both things, recording and messing up with your codes. I'm going to teach you how to record a macro, I'm going to teach you how to access them, and I'm going to teach you how to read these little lines of codes that you need to understand in order to do the task that we want. So I'm going to give you a lot of tips for beginners. So how to work, what's the methodology of working, how to read the macros, what you need to know about them, what do you do with the warning message? Do you ignore them? What do you do? Where do you click? How do we record macros? What's good? What do I need to keep? And what can I erase? Where do I need to insert my codes to boost my macro? And how do I work with the XLSM file? That it's the file that holds the macros. So you're going to take a quick peek on my work. I'm going to show you and teach you how do I do the macros, how do I build them, how do I start planning in my head how to make a macro, and what codes do I put in it to make it work. I'm going to teach you one advanced example so you can take a look at the real situation. What do I do? What do I need to do? What's going to be a small example. A little bit complicated, but it's important for you to get the hang of it. And I'm going to teach you also the next steps. What do you need to learn to continue working with macros? So this is going to be our first steps course, and I'm going to give you everything that I wish someone has given me when I start working with macros. So if I go over here to my Excel, I have here a simple spreadsheet, and if I click on Alt F11, I can see my Visual Basic, which is usually like this. And if you want to record a macro, you gotta open your Developers tab, so you need to go to File and then Options. From here you can go to Customize your ribbon and click on Developers tab right here. It's gonna be somewhere here. Mark here and click OK, and you're going to see your Developers tab now. And if you want to record a macro, you click this button here. If you want to see your macros, play your macros, you click this button here. If you want to go to the Visual Basic, you can click here, or you can use the shortcut Alt F11. If you want to record them, you just click this button. You can write a name for the macro and then click OK. And if you write something here and then go back over here and press stop, you're going to see your code being displayed right here on inside the module. If you want to run this macro, I'm going to erase this. You can click Developers, Macros, choose the macro and press Run. And if I want to customize it, I can go over here to my codes and change it. For example, instead of writing my name, I'm going to make it write macros. And then if I come back over here and press Developers and press Macros and then press play, or just go over here and press play here, it just run the macro writing macros on this cell here, on the cell that I was specifying. So these are the basic steps for you to run. If you want to take this course with me, it's going to be about 1 hour long. You can buy this course right now and we can start working together. Thank you very much. See you next time.